Hey guys, this is a tutorial for the laser trip system on the Bolt module. These are the connections that are more formal with the wiring and all that, but I decided to change them later on. So these are the components. This is how you connect them onto the Bolt module. This is how I wired them later and also strapped them together for a tighter fit. These are the connections on those. This is a case which is completely optional, but I do recommend you do it. It'll help you later on in fitting this alarm and all those. And this is me putting them together. It's the module that goes in, and do make sure that the LDR fits into the hole of the case. That is the fitting. But before that, please make sure the module stays there. Then again, the glue is totally optional. You can use any glue you want. That is the back. And also do make sure your case has a hole for the wire, and now the holes are being made for the speaker so that the sound is more clear. Also, I do suggest that you guys use a 9-volt buzzer as it has more sound. That is the aluminum foil I'll be using to create a reflector. This do helps in the reading. Obviously you need to power it up. Also, it is it is better if the power module is either a power bank or you have your own power module of some sort that is portable. And as usual, painted it black. Waiting for the connection. That is my laser setup. It's a very simple setup. It's just foam with a stick pressing on the button. I aim straight at the LDR. So as you can see, the laser is straight on there. This is me executing the program that I made, which I'll also link in the tutorial. Those are the values. Now, as I mentioned earlier, instead of a 10k ohm resistor, it is better to use one of those 150 ohm resistor, because the values will be much lower compared to the 10k, which will probably give you 1024 reading, which we do not want. The idea here is that there's a minimum and a maximum limit, so if someone places a laser with a more powerful laser or some sort, it'll still detect that change. You can see as I block the laser, reads a 7 value and sends an SMS. This is the setup on the Bolt cloud. So just create a project. These are the hardware configurations. That's one. That is where a buzzer will be connected, and this is the digital. I've just named it Buzz. As you know, you can only give 5 minutes unless you're paid for the pro version. This is the code. Now it is in HTML, and I've just named the code Buzz. As you know, this is the code. If you guys want, you can just pause it here and type it down, or I'll just give you that too. Save the changes. This is using the Bolt app on the phone. It's there for Android and iOS. So this will be the device. Just click on the device and you have two buttons, spook the trespasser and off. So spook the trespasser is the one that actually switches on the buzzer, as you can hear here.